Welcome to Kitchen Palace. Today's recipe is mango kulfi. Mango kulfi is an easy Indian mango ice cream. This recipe does not require any cooking. So let's start the process. Take a blender or mixie jar. Add 1 cup of mango pulp, 1 cup of malai or cream, 1 cup of condensed milk. Here I am using malai and condensed milk homemade. You can see my recipe. Few cashew nuts, half spoon of cardamom powder and few saffron strips. Close the lid and blend it. I am using bowl and a glass. You can use kulfi mold. Pour the kulfi mixture in a bowl and glass. Tap it. Wrap it properly, or you can use any airtight container. Keep in fridge for about 8 to 9 hours. After 8 to 9 hours, let's open it. You can see here the kulfi is ready. Let's open the second one. It's almost done. Let's garnish with cashew nuts, or you can use almonds, raisins or pistachio. You can serve like this, or you can cut into slices. You can see here how kulfi is. The kulfi is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and also do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.